Good morning. We are on DMR number 3 Dmr D number 3. It says C, but it's really 3. Dmr D. There's some typos, so life happens. We're going to go ahead and solve this problem by distribution. So I've made my screen a little bigger so that I can read it. I'm going to type in here, assuming it lets me. Nope, it doesn't. So let's try this again. Yeah. So it starts by distributing 4 times 2b minus 5 times, or 4 times 5. So I distributed that 4 to both of them inside of the parentheses. You're left with 8b minus 20. Why it stops typing? Oh, because that's gone. Everybody has these problems. So the reflection is when I use the distributive property, I make sure to multiply by all the terms inside the parentheses. And I fix my typing. Okay, if you cannot see that, then what you do is you're going to pause so that you have time to type it. Factor the expression. So with this, I'm going to look at the factors of 6 and 3. I'm going to type them on here just so that I know. 1 times 6. Well, that's not times 6. 2 times 3. And the 9 has the factors 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So I can see that the factor that they have in common, and I don't think I can highlight this, but the factor that they have in common is the 3. So that means I'm going to pull out the 3. And I will leave what's left. So that's 3. What's left? 3 times 2 makes the 6. So 2x. 3 times 3 leaves the 3. So there's that answer. Reflection. At first, need two factor. I need to determine the largest common factor of the terms. Then I will factor that outside of the parentheses and leave the other factor inside. So that is our DMR D number 3. Make sure that you've done the reflections. Use pause as needed so that you can get it all on your paper. Do you have to copy this? No, not at all. And the answer that I'll expect on the test is something like this. That's it.